Brightpoint Infotech presents you another transformation technology solution, pointed solution to purchase order security. This is presented to you by Samith, our senior manager, who will be able to break us this concept down and make us understand how best this pointed solution is to help us in our day-to-day running of the business. This pointed solution is an app that was developed for finance and operations. Ladies and gentlemen, a brief background about Brightpoint Infotech. Brightpoint Infotech is a company that is having its head office in Florida, Fort Lauderdale, with locations all over the world: Canada, India, Africa, UAE, to mention but a few. We have provided solutions and services in many industries: education, automobile, manufacturing, the rest. We have AI, robotics, cloud solutions, cloud testing, and many others. We would like to implore you to reach out to us through our YouTube, LinkedIn, and many of these channels. To take us straight to the solution, this solution helps us in creating multiple purchase orders on a daily basis and manage to restrict it to users. We want to take a point where you have a lot of purchase orders and going to several people in departments. You wouldn't want them seeing all the purchase orders. So you would want to restrict them that if I have sent this to my boss, it's only probably my boss that should see. It also helps to ease the tracking of the purchase order based on the users across units. This is going to help in an organization like probably that have branches all over many countries, so you wouldn't want people seeing the same purchase order from somewhere else. That is how this pointed solution helps us. I would like to take us through the process flow of this app that we've developed. We start with the assigning security roles to the user to edit the purchase order. Then we create the purchase order. We will submit it for approval. The approver or the user can only be able to see the PO that it is directed to them, not all. Then we shall go straight to the system. On successfully logging into the system, you'll be able to move through the navigation plane and go to accounts payable to see all the accounts payable. This will be able to show you all the accounts payable. If it's not filtered, you'll be able to see all for a department, for a user. So this is what makes us a little bit difficult to start choosing or selecting the purchase order you would want to work on or to approve. And that's the reason why we have developed this app, to filter and segregate these particular purchase orders. Now in our app, that will be able to give you a setup in the security roles. And if we go to system and administration, then we go to users. For this case, we're going to use a user, Samith, and we'll open this user card, and we shall be able to remove the system administrator role because the person was an administrator, and also remove purchasing agent and purchase manager, so that we now tie it straight to what this user is supposed to see only. Now once we go back to accounts payable, we shall be able to see only orders now. It's opening. Shall be able to see only orders that have been created by this particular user or is to be approved by this particular user, not the entire purchase order as was in the system before. Ladies and gentlemen, this app will help you to sort out your time of using the system, your workload, and all these other difficulties as you try to remove or purchase orders from the system. This is a pointed solution, and we would like to thank you so much for giving us your time in both physical and online. Thank you.